this is a program called Anti-Gravity Connect 4 that I made in high school after playing Connect 4 on graph paper a lot in a particularly boring math class. And we decided that regular Connect 4 is too boring, too bland for us. So we came up with another idea. We called it Anti-Gravity Connect 4, and eventually I made it into a Flash game, which is what you see here. So the Flash game is pretty easy to play once you get the rules down, but the rules are a little bit strange. So my friend Brian here is going to help us figure out how to play this. So I'm going to go on the bottom here, and then he can make a move. Go ahead, Brian. And as you can see, it looks pretty normal. So far, nothing's weird happens. But take a look. I can also go up on the top here, and Brian can go somewhere as well. So what's happening is, and this is the motivation for the name as well, you're allowed to go anywhere as long as it would make sense to go there if gravity was, or if the floor was oriented a particular direction. So let me just branch out down here for a second. I can go as far down as I want, because if the floor was up, like if we just flip this around and pretended it was normal anti-gravity or normal Connect 4, then I would be able to go there because there's a column of pieces supporting me. However, I can't go on either side of this column, because if we were to orient the game so that the floor was to the left or the right, there wouldn't be anything supporting that piece, if that makes sense. So there's a lot of intricacies that come out from this game, and it can actually be pretty fun. I made this a long time ago, and I played it a lot since then. And during high school, I actually, because you can play this on graph paper, I began playing it in almost all of my classes, and my grades were a little bit hurt for that. But anyways, you can watch Brian and I play a game real quick here to get a feel for it. And then it's a Flash game, and it's hosted on my website, so you can play it yourself. Though there's no AI to play you against, so you have to go and hunt for somebody and then explain the rules and then play it with them. But it's worth it. Trust me, it's a fun game. Here we go. Oh crap, biscuits. Good game, Brian.